Hell breezy. Let me show you how to keep the dice rolling when you're doing that thing over there, homie. Hey, let's go! Cause I'm feeling like I'm running and I'm feeling like I gotta get away. Better know that I don't and I won't ever stop. Cause you know I gotta win every day.
So guys, I'm headed to go plane spot right now. So right now I'm just gonna show you guys a couple features of the airport that if you guys have never been here, it's a great place. It's Delta's second largest hub, and it's their second largest hub, and they're obviously the main airline here, and they took over Northwest in 2010 when they merged. And so this merge with Northwest, they took up all of the terminals. So I'll show you. Had all of the McNamara terminal right here, and on the other side over there you can't see because of the reflection. They had all of that side, which is it's now like a regional side. But they used to operate A319s and like CRJs and Saabs out of that side. They still do, mostly CRJs and ERJs now. But yeah, the one thing that has always been here, and like and everybody's favorite feature here is the fountain. Everyone likes the fountain here at DTW, and yeah. So yeah, if you watched Jeb Brooks's video about the A350 inaugural for Delta, I can show you that gate where he left from. It's actually a gate over here, which is where he left for Tokyo Narita on the A350 inaugural. And we actually have a flight to Cancun, which would also be a good place to go right now. Leaving from A40, usually you get some A350s, A330s this gate, but like the bittersweet thing about this gate is that you always used to see a Northwest 747 at this gate, and it's just, you don't see that anymore, and it's kind of bittersweet. But yeah, that's a little history about this gate, A40. And you got a nice 737-800 right here. We have the tram, which I'll be riding in a couple minutes to show you. But yeah, this terminal is very long, and it takes like 20 minutes just to walk to the other end. And the train helps you go a lot faster. So I'll be riding that since my gauge is A20. That's all the way down at that far end. So yeah, I'll be showing you guys that. So right now I'm going to show you guys the flight board, where we're leaving, where our flight. So we're going to Minneapolis. So our flight is Delta 820 right here. So so it looks like our plane's on time and we're at 820. So, and the red icon means you should use the tram. That it's recommended you use the tram. So that's what we're doing because it's quick, and I want to show you guys the tram. So yeah, we're gonna use the tram. So, but guys, I think I'm just gonna plane spot for a bit and see you guys later on the tram. So right now we are heading up to the tram. Just want to show you guys more around the airport, and said I was gonna show you the tram. So we're gonna show you I'm going to show you the tram right now. So yeah, you go up here, and then there's one on this side and there's one on that side. They both run on the opposite directions. There are actually 2 tracks of tram that go to different directions, and we are boarding this one that goes to the south end, which is like A29 to A38. Yeah. No, actually, excuse me, A1 through A28. So we're A20, so we have to board this train. So here we go. So yeah, the airport, the terminal's down there. The Christmas tree right there. There's the fountain. So let's leave. You're gonna see just how fast this goes. It goes really fast.
And stay away from the doors. We will soon arrive at the South Station, serving gates A1 through A28.
Maybe not that fast. Oh, there's our V8, A20. So we're gonna have to walk in the direction we came to get to our plane. So yeah. And there's the Sky Club, which I don't get to visit because I don't have my mom with me, and she's the one with the Sky Club. Hey guys, we are off the train, and we are going down to our gate now, which is Alpha 20. So guys, here we are, A20. That plane over there. It's a 737-900ER. And the registration is November 826, Delta November. I've never flown on this one before, so yeah. guys. So I'm on the plane now. It looks to be a pretty nice seat. I mean, we've got 2 windows right here, and looks like we got a great wing view. This should be a fun ride. obviously we've got a mirror right here, your little lock, door handle, your lock, door handle, coat hook, I think. Yeah, coat hook. Right here. And then, I can flip this, hold on. Obviously sink. Hot, cold water. Turns off and on. So, yep. Sure. Out the mood lighting. Your trash. Things. Your toilet. So, yeah. I'm actually gonna go to the bathroom right now, so, and we'll see you for our final approach. So that flight that we were just on, pretty normal, just a normal Delta flight. There really wasn't really anything else you could ask for. For me, the Wi-Fi didn't work, but that wasn't Delta's fault. That was just because of my phone. My dad was able to get on it. He said it was good. Food, they could have, I think they could have given me another snack, they could have given me the option of getting another Biscoff or a little bag of Cheez-Its, but yeah, overall, it was a pretty good flight. Flight attendants didn't say anything about my filming, so that's good right there. So if you are new here or you haven't seen any of my videos yet, please like it if you enjoyed it. And if you want to see more videos like this, trip reports, everything aviation, please subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. Yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.